Well Woman Yoga, it was there from the very beginning in the classes, and it came about from a little group of women who needed further healing after their birth. We set this up tentatively just to give them extra practices to heal their scars or their pelvic floor, or maybe they had some birth trauma of some kind. Very soon we saw them bringing their moms, their sisters, their friends, and it became an intergenerational group and a medley of women. Some of them had not had children even. It was not meant as purely as therapy, hence the term Well Woman. So Well Woman is really a wellness course before the term was invented. It's yoga to enhance life, yoga to feel well in all aspects of living in an integrated way. It's yoga at the service of life for women through their reproductive cycle. So taking into account all the changes that women go through. There is a need to find balance between adrenaline and oxytocin, serotonin, melatonin, the hormones of rest and relaxation need to come back, because many women don't sleep well and live in chronic tension. The Well Woman class is not just relaxing, it's also quite dynamic. We reconnect with dance, and we have adaptations of classic Indian dance that was overlapping with the yoga. Over the last nearly 4 decades, we have developed practices, adaptations of asanas specifically for women's well-being. We have practices for different phases of the menstrual cycle, for different women's needs, and the hallmark of Birthlight is the micro-movement. We call that the micro-movements of yoga. So these are very small pelvic movements that are very effective for repatterning the fascia, the connective tissue around the reproductive organs. This is unique to the Birthlight approach to Well Women. Our Well Woman Yoga is accessible to women of all ages and all abilities. We use props in intelligent ways, and we use all the dimensions of yoga practice, not just asana or breathing or relaxation. We use sound, we use mudras, we use mantra, we use intention, aspects of Raj Yoga, aspects of Tibetan Yoga. And our teachers and tutors have taken these practices in different ways according to their personality, their previous training, their interests, and their life experiences. And the Birthlight Yoga is not written in stone, it's not prescriptive. We often say we give a sort of basket, and we put lots of resources in that basket. People take it, and then they can take things out as they need and also create their own kit. It's quite eclectic, but it's all based on experience and research. And a lot of it has stemmed from my own personal needs after surgeries. Having successfully restored my well-being after quite traumatic interventions, integrating yoga in our daily lives is more and more important, because the women who have not experienced some kind of violence and some kind of trauma are very few and far between. And we need to recover that joy of living that is our birthright. I do this Well Woman Yoga because I believe this is possible. It's possible because the trauma is in the body, but it can be purged, and the circles of women are instrumental in doing this. So with very little talking, the fact of breathing together, relaxing together, releases this individual suffering. And having seen this in action, I'm in awe of it. I think it's something that that needs to be increased as a yoga practice.